Hi, Emma. I'm home. How was your day?
It was fine. How was yours?
Busy as always. I'm glad it's finally Friday.
I was expecting today to be a little more special.
Emma, did I forget something?
I think you did.
Really? Did something happen today?
I'm surprised you have to ask.
Was it someone's birthday?
No. It's something much more important to me.
I'm sorry. I've had so much on my mind lately.
I understand you're busy, but some dates should never be forgotten.
You're right. I just can't remember.
Today is our wedding anniversary.
Oh no. I can't believe I forgot.
I wasn't expecting an expensive gift. I just wanted you to remember the day.
I'm so sorry, Emma. There's no excuse.
Mew.
I feel terrible.
Thank you for saying that. I just wanted you to understand why I was upset.
I'd like to make it up to you. Can we go out for dinner tomorrow evening?
That would be lovely.
And this time, I'll leave work early. My phone calendar will remind me every year from now on.
That's a smart idea. I appreciate you trying to make things better.
You deserve much better than my forgetfulness.
We all make mistakes. What's important is learning from them.
I promise I'll never forget our anniversary again.
I'll hold you to that.
Thank you for forgiving me. Always.
Now let's celebrate together this weekend.
Absolutely. Happy anniversary, Emma.
Happy anniversary, David.